How to share Instagram profile link on WhatsApp. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to share your Instagram profile link to WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right side. After you open your profile icon, all you have to do just tap on this share profile button. This one, this share. So now as you can see, it will ask you now to copy the link or just scroll to down and tap on WhatsApp. So after you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do just, it will take you to this section. Now go and select the person that you want to send him your profile link. So for me, let's say I want to share my profile link to this person. So tap on the person and tap on this send button. So here is my profile link. Tap on this send again. So as you can see now, I share my profile link to this person. If this person now tap on this link, it will take him to my profile link on Instagram. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.